My chin is lifted to a row of perfect squares of light, which overrides the street lamps I walk by, diffusing through the haze of a light layer of fog. Another light above, the pyramid atop the high-rise my eyes rise to. The lights seem brighter than the bulbs which light the doors of the flats I'm walking by. They invite me to aspire and drain the colour from the street beneath my shoes and the sky they sit before. If I try to look downwards and away to my reality, the peripheral still shines, rows of better life, lifting up my chin to ignore estates I'm in.